Okay, guys, I'm back and I'm standing up now, so maybe it's a little bit easier for me to talk. Actually, go back into here. So, what I wanted to tell you guys first off is your students all have access to this through their email. So, if you didn't see that, I'm going to create a document or a video for them to show them how to get in. But I wanted to just clarify there's nothing special that we have to do for students to access this since Mr. Stanley has already given us all access to it a few weeks ago. Clarifying assignments. Now, we might not actually be creating new assignments. I'm sure Miss Timberlake will talk about that in the meeting Monday. But let's just say that you wanted to just create a check-in. So let's say that I wanted to create an assignment. My 8th graders have already taken a couple of quizzes using forms, but you could actually go to quiz and then through form, just through here, just go to new form and it'll allow you, just like Google Forms, it will allow you to create multiple choice, short answer, etc. And like I said, it doesn't have to be anything on content. It could be a check-in question for the day or something to that effect. You can also create an assignment, and this might be used for later. You could create an assignment and you can even add your rubric here. You could create it early and then decide when to post it, stuff like that, okay? Okay, I'm going to go into my 8th grade class. And I'm going to talk for just a second about Stream. So Stream is actually how I have been posting all of my videos that I've been recording for my students. So again, this is just through your office. If you go to Stream, I have the app on my iPad and on my phone. So let's say that you wanted to record a video of you demonstrating how to do a math problem or something like that. You could actually record it just through your camera and then upload it through the app Stream. So I can go to my content and videos that I've already created. And this is literally me teaching in my classroom. Or you can upload a video, and that would be from the app. Like I said, I use my phone or my iPad because that's easiest, but it's kind of up to you guys how you would do that. And then I could go right into here, and this little button right here is the Stream button. I've already shared all of these, but let's just say that this is how I wanted to share the video of me demonstrating. I would copy the link and then just paste it into here. There's the video. The kids would have to go to it, but it's easy. Several of them have already told me that it's easy for them to do. And then I might just say, if this was me doing it at home, I might just say that this is the date video for the day so that they don't have to meet right then. It could be saved for later. I might just say like this is Monday's assignment or something like that. Okay, I'm not going to post this because I don't want it to notify them. But that is one option for you to use Microsoft Stream. Another thing is and I'm going to get out of this or it's going to tell them all that I want to meet with them. I'm going to go to this staff one because that's the one I just put Craig in it so that I could see if it was going to work. This is not the one that Miss Timberlake made. This was one of the first ones that I made whenever I was trying out Microsoft Teams. Okay, I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen things on Zoom, Google Hangouts, things like that for ways that we could meet with our students. I'm going to show you the feature that is in Microsoft Teams called Meet Now. So I've already done this up here, but let's just say I wanted to do test meeting too because I've already done the first one. Okay, I could schedule a meeting with my students, or I could just say meet now. So if I said meet now, here's my meeting. And let's say that I wanted to invite somebody. Now then, in your team, you're going to have all of your students listed in here. But right now, Craig's the only one that's in this class, so I would invite him. Let's just say that he is in it, or if that's not possible for him to be in it, or all of your students to be in it, there's actually a feature that you could record this live meeting. Let's say that you were actually talking about content or something. There's a feature that you could record the meeting and publish it later, and that would be through Microsoft Stream. And you would just go to this start recording right here. I would invite my whole class, or you can meet with several small groups. Like if you know that kids could meet at a certain time, or if you don't think that they can meet at all, I would just record it anyways and post it in to your class through Microsoft Stream. Okay. I know that that was fast, and there's a lot of things within Microsoft Teams that I've talked about. Let me end this meeting. So it's actually said here that I've had a meeting, but if you recorded it, it would actually go into your Microsoft Stream. Copy the link and paste it into your own team, or it should actually go in there. Again, like I said, I know that I've talked a lot about different things, and I tried to give you guys the fast-paced version of Microsoft Teams, since we're about to jump in and use this. Again, really, everybody's is going to look different. I've showed you guys how I use it in my classroom, but I don't expect really anyone's to look exactly like mine. I've just given you guys ideas. So, in Miss Timberlake's team, all of us are already added into it, and there will be ways that we can share and collaborate through this. But play with it, see what you guys think, and see if you have questions, or if it's even something that you want to use. I warned my kids before we left that there was a good chance that it might come down to us using this later on. And so they're kind of prepared. If you have freshmen or eighth graders, they already kind of know how to use this. But it's not hard for them to get into it because they already have a Office account. So if you have questions, or you need help navigating this, or if there's something that I missed, because I know I went kind of fast, please let me know, and I'd be happy to help you guys.